find me somebody to love. Oh, she's right over there. La, 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 do, 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 na, na, na. On my way to where the air is new. Can you tell me how to get to BOOZHOO? How to steal the other guy's song? How to write nothing for an intro? How to wing these shows because nobody watches anyway? Doe, a deer, a female deer. Ray, a drop of golden sun. Me, a name I call myself. Far along way to run. So, a needle pulling thread. Fa, a note to follow. So, tea, a drink with jam and bread. That will bring us back to do, oh, do. You know, I don't think I ever actually saw The Sound of Music.
Really?
I mean, oh, it's a classic.
That's what they say.
It's about these little kids in Norway don't know how to sing. But we don't know how to sing. Well, I'll teach you. It's all do, a deer. Wawashigeshewug.
That's right.
A female deer. Ray, a drop of golden sun. I know a guy named Ray. He wasn't a drop of golden sun. La, la, la. Today is a Ojibwe word of the day. Real quick, I'm just going to get this out. Who cares? The word today. Gimmick Wayne Dane and chalk hearts melting on a playground wall. Gimmick Wayne Dane and stone escapes from moonwash college halls. Gimmick Wayne Dane and cherry blossoms in the market square. Gimmick Wayne Dane and I thought it was confetti in our hair. By the way, didn't I break your heart? Please excuse me. I never meant to break your heart. So sorry. Wait, what was I doing? La la la. The Ojibwe word of the day.
Right.
Gimmick Wayne Danana. Do you remember? You that I'm pointing at. Oh no, never point. That is very rude. It is a taboo in the Anishinaabe culture. Mm-hmm. You must never point.
Never.
It does seem really rude, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I feel bad just doing this. You know why they say that?
Why?
They say back the medicine men, the way they would throw bad medicine is that they'd see the guy they want to give bad medicine to. Mm-hmm. And they'd set him up over there on the other side of the fire. And they'd be like, oh, there's that guy. I just threw medicine at him, but bad medicine. I gave him a curse. All right, I better get out of here. That's pretty long already. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you from the bottom of my heart how much I appreciate you watching this show and how much I appreciate your money. Nah. If you'd like to support the show, click the links. I don't need to tell you how Patreon and PayPal work. I think they know.
Yeah.
And if you'd like to order some Ojibwe books, do we have one around here? Michael Lyons has some Ojibwe language children's books for sale. And, we also got some t-shirts in that. So check out the links. And, if you'd like to buy something, buy something. If you'd like to save your money, that makes more sense. But anyway, all right. You want to add anything here, sweetie? I've been talking the whole show.
No, you're doing a pretty good job.
Okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen, can I just say then, miigwech bizandawieg. Thank you for listening. Miigwech ganawabieg. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast. about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this is Natasha, the shy and demure.
Get out of here.
Never wants to be in the foreground, just wants to kind of hide in the
That's
back.
right.
Natasha. So yeah, I will see you again. Giga Wabba Min. Minawa. Oh, what?
Oh, what? Oh, that was
All
really
right.
good.
Okay, now what's the song? Let's do a song.
Okay. How about a Motley Crue? I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Home, sweet home. Tonight, tonight. Nah. You know I'm a dreamer, but my heart's a gold. I had to run away high, so I wouldn't come home low. Just right when things went right, doesn't mean they're always wrong. Just take this song and you'll never be left alone. Take me to your heart, feel me in your bones. Just one more night and I'm coming off this lonely winding road. I'm on my way.